Introducing the Cryovac brand BL75, a fully automated high-speed bag loader for cheese and processed meats. As the global standard for fast and efficient horizontal bag loading, the BL75 system automatically advances Cryovac brand taped bags from either a box or roll, depending on product type and customer preferences. Next, the BL75 automates the process of bag opening and product insertion, which promotes worker safety and streamlines production by eliminating human contact during loading and reducing labor-intensive repetitive motion tasks. With speeds up to 45 packages per minute, the BL75 is designed to perfectly complement the speed and efficiency of Cryovac rotary vacuum systems. Quick change tooling accommodates a wide variety of products and package configurations, including straight or curved seal, standard or easy open, boxed or on a roll. Washdown is also fast and efficient with all stainless primary components, hygienic design, and belts that can be removed without the use of tools. And as part of our C Advanced Maintenance program, trained sealed air technicians are available for proactive monitoring and routine maintenance to ensure your BL75 will always operate at the most efficient level possible, and that downtime, if needed, happens on a schedule that works best for you. For food processors who specialize in high-quality, ready-to-eat deli products, the Cryovac BL75 high-speed bag loader offers efficiency, safety, and speed that will help you drive results. Contact your local representative for more information or visit sealedair.com today.